up at the Green Mountain section of Lamington National Park today, commonly referred to as O'Reilly's Plateau. One of the favourite parts of the Gold Coast for me to go for a walk. Today I'm going to combine two of my favourite ones, which is the Taloona Trail, which is probably the most pretty up here, and along with a little circuit off the side of it, the Box Forest. So going to be a big day walking. All these beautiful monster trees everywhere. A little bit of a clearing, view across the other ridge. You can hear the start of the waterfalls now. It's starting. Bit of a tree in the road. Here's one of my favourite trees in the national park. This thing is ginormous. So this is Alabama Falls, referred to as the Jewel of O'Reilly's. A couple of girls going for a swim here. What an amazing place, look at this. We are so lucky here. Beautiful rich colours. Just another cracking waterfall. Just glorious. And we're off again. Bit of a drop down there. And over here, just another sneaky waterfall. There we go. Walking into another one. Whoa! That's why they call it the Rainforest, eh? So probably won't be able to do too much filming until this clears out now, but gotta get one last haul. 7 k's to go, guys. We're at the top of the climb. Finished the Taloona Creek section of the circuit, now the water trail back. This next bit's a whole different type of forest. Here it is, what I regard as probably my favourite tree in the national park. This Antarctic beech tree has 3 or 4, maybe more glorious huge trunks coming from the base. The big arch in the root. It's just incredible. It could be anywhere between 1 and 3,000 years old. Mist of the wind. A little bush camp spot where you can book in amongst all these ancient Antarctic beech trees. Hey, it's a rainforest, isn't it? Yeah. Let's head home. That's a beautiful little clearing. Box Forest and Taloona Trail linked up. About 22 or something k's thereabouts by the looks of things. I knocked it over in about 6 and 15, which was good. So good walk, bit of weather, lots of mud. I think the leech has got the better of me.